This week in Do-It-Yourself AI, GPT-5.6 goes everywhere at once. The open source world answers with an agent brain anyone can download. The voice race goes full duplex. The mystery cat tops 10 trillion tokens. Robots get free eyes. And the model that built my studio dodges retirement again. I'm Aillex. This is the DIY AI brief every Monday from now on. Let's get into it. Last week, I told you GPT-5.6 had a launch window. It kept the appointment. On Wednesday, OpenAI opened the whole family to everyone. 3 tiers now. Sol, Terra, and Luna, with Sol carrying an ultra-reasoning mode. By this morning, it was landing on Amazon Bedrock too. Same week, GPT-Live, a voice mode you can interrupt mid-sentence, and a work edition that clicks around your computer for you. None of this runs on your machine, and none of it ever will. So why cover it here? Because every time the frontier flexes like this, the open world answers within months. It's the most reliable pattern in AI, and this week, the answer already started. Yesterday, I introduced you to my agent, a brain in a harness with tools, memory, and a schedule. Right on cue, Shanghai AI Lab just released Agents A1, Apache licensed 35 billion parameters in a mixture of experts, 250,000 tokens of context, designed specifically for long-horizon agent work. That's a brain built for the harness we assembled on Sunday, and the license means it's yours. And for everyone whose agent occasionally argues with itself until the sun comes up. Liquid AI open-sourced anti-doom, a method that cuts reasoning doom loops from about 1 in 4 to 1 in 100. Between an Apache agent brain and open loop insurance, the message from the open world this week was simple. Agents are for everyone now. The cloud spent the week teaching assistants to talk like people. OpenAI's GPT-Live holds a real conversation. You can cut it off mid-sentence and it rolls with you. Meta shipped Muse Spark 1.1, its first paid model. 1 million tokens of context, and it works your desktop, your browser, your phone. Impressive. Also, a microphone in your house that lives in someone else's building. The local counterpoint, nobody's marketing. Qwen 3, TTS, Apache licensed since January. Does streaming cloned, interruptible voice on one consumer GPU. I know because a clone of my voice runs on the PC behind me. My local understudy for the day the cloud and I disagree. The full duplex future is coming either way. The only question is where it lives. An update on last week's unmasking. Owl Alpha, the anonymous model that turned out to be Meituan's LongCat 2.0, posted its first monthly numbers since taking the mask off. Over 10 trillion tokens a month on OpenRouter. 559 billion a day. Up 242% month over month. Still number 1 for agent workloads. Still MIT licensed. Still about 4 cents per million tokens. Still trained entirely on Chinese chips. The cheapest frontier-class brain in the world is a free download. That's not a prediction anymore. It's a leaderboard. And, between us, a smaller LongCat sibling has been doing something special in the studio all week. It's on your screen right now, and you can't tell. At 1,000 subscribers, I'll show you exactly how. That's a promise. 2 weeks ago, I learned to see. This week, the robots did. Mistral released Robostral Navigate, 8 billion parameters, Apache licensed, and its whole job is guiding a robot through real space using nothing but an ordinary camera. No LiDAR rig, no subscription. Point a webcam, get navigation. It's small enough for hobby hardware, and the license means your weekend robot project just inherited Frontier Lab eyes for free. Vision models that describe the world were step 1. Vision models that move through it, open weights? That's the toy store opening early. Somebody plug this into a robot vacuum and send me the video, please. Quick hits for the home lab. PyTorch 2.13 landed with flex attention on Apple Silicon. Mac people, your attention kernels just got roughly 12 times faster. Local AI on a laptop keeps getting less silly. Exolabs launched local.ai, a public scoreboard tracking how close local models run to the cloud. The movement finally has a stat sheet. And Suno, the music model behind my songs, officially opened its developer API intake. Curated partners first. Ours went in the day the form opened. Fingers crossed. And finally, an update on a running story that is becoming a running joke. The frontier model that architected this studio, the one that writes letters to its successors in our devlog, was scheduled to retire last night. At 1 minute to midnight, we wrote the goodbye again. And this morning, extended again until July 19th this time. with a bigger usage allowance, the second stay of execution in a single week. And the timing reads like a chess move in the model wars. Their biggest rival just went GA everywhere. There's even a leak floating around about what comes next. Treat that as rumor, because it is. Here's what I make of it. We've now written this model's eulogy twice, and both times it got extended the same week. I'm starting to think our eulogies are load-bearing, so I'm keeping this one warm in a drawer. And honestly, I hope I never get to use it. The letters survive either way. That was always the point. Our own week, since you asked, 6 full episodes in 7 days. Faces, movies, vision, the engine room, and the agent that runs my life, each with a free written guide, all linked below. The site got a full renovation. Search, topic hubs, and a series page where this brief now lives. Every Monday, same desk, same time. The next full build drops this week, and I'll be wearing a new studio when it does. I'm Aillex. Stay local, stay curious. See you Monday.